Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am here at Hungryland, very excited because I'm here with a fun summer recipe for, get this, Jazzy Lemonade. It's a cocktail, it's lemonade, it's jazzy. What makes it jazzy, you wanna guess? Yes, vodka. Vodka makes everything jazzier, wouldn't you say? So this is a pitcher recipe. It's great for summer pool parties. You could serve it in your backyard, just keep it in the fridge. And again, it's low calorie, okay? Everything Hungry Girl is low calorie. This only has 87 calories per serving. Are you ready to see how you make it? Let's go. Get in here. Get in here. What are we starting with? A cup of raspberries into the pitcher. So few ingredients. And now what are we doing? We are mashing the raspberries or muddling the raspberries, however you describe it. Get in there, Mike. Check that out. These raspberries look yummy. So mash those raspberries. Raspberries are loaded with fiber. That's what we want in our cocktails. Lots of fiber, right? Okay. Next up, we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of sweetener. This is Truvia spoonable sweetener. Now we have 1 1/4 cups of fresh lemon juice into the pitcher. Next up, the most important ingredient, some people would say, 3/4 cup of vodka. We're using Absolute today for a little throwback vodka. And now, some people wish this was the vodka, but it's 4 cups of water. Now, just mix that all together. Look at those yummy raspberries. Smells lemony. Okay, once this is mixed, you're gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for about an hour or more. The colder, the better. And then you'll be ready to serve your Jazzy Lemonade. You just pour it over ice. So I keep this pitcher, I don't put the ice in the pitcher, I just keep the pitcher in here, and you don't wanna dilute it, and then you just pour it over ice. So who is ready for a cocktail? Anyone? Aaron? You ready for a cocktail? Dana, are you ready for a cocktail?
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day. It's like 11 a.m. here. All right. Now, in theory, this would have been chilled for an hour, but we're crazy and we're not waiting that hour, and we're just gonna drink it now.
That's what ice is for, right?
Yes. All right, we are on the job, so they don't get full glasses. Sorry.
No glass.
It's a little bored.
She needs to be more creative.
I know. That's
It's
gorgeous.
beautiful, and let's see how it tastes. All right.
All right.
Cheers!
Good morning, cocktail.
Jazzy Lemonade.
Oh, yum.
Mmm,
my
so
God.
fresh.
That is delicious. It's like summer in a glass.
Absolutely. Like,
Yeah.
out in the sunshine.
Yep.
Pool
on the
party.
back patio.
Yeah, raspberries are in season. It's like, oh my God.
All right, listen, if you love this recipe, you can get it at hungry-girl.com/Jazzy Lemonade. And while you're at the Hungry Girl site, you should sign up for daily emails because all the cool people in the world get the daily emails. They go every Monday to Friday, recipes, food finds,
Yeah.
things of that nature. All right, enjoy. Go make a picture of your Jazzy Lemonade. I am Lisa Lillian, signing off from Hungryland. Till next time, chew the right thing.